Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we'll do some cosmetic stuff to the fuzz. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit the post notification bell. With that being said, let's get into it. Right, when I went in last night, this bucket was empty. So we've had a bit of rain overnight. So I need to finish off the Golf. So I need to flash in the tune that I did last night. Just a couple of changes on the timing. Get her out and the Golf in to finish it off. Alright, let's flush this in. Done. Just getting ROM radar open. I know I'm not going out for a tune, just to check on everything while it's warming up and while I move it out. Alrighty boys, Fuzz is out in the driveway. Got the Golf in here, and a bit tight. Right. Got to get these two doors done. So this is what I'm talking about. So yeah. Bit of a splashback from last night with the rain. Alrighty boys, the Golf is done. The Fuzz is back in. Nice and wet. What? Sounded like there was something loose in there. Anyways, I need to replace this when I can get back to the wreckers. I'll get one of them, get one of these. Got to figure out what the squeaking is. Need to put the cover on the fuel pump. So I think the squeaking is actually the tailgate. I don't think it's these two. Yeah, I think it's the tailgate. Right, we've got the spare wheel in. So the terminals are actually here and here, so that actually works out pretty good. However, I might put something in there just to cover it, to make sure the metal doesn't touch, just in case it moves a little bit. Alright, got the little surround there, so I've just got a rag there. That should be okay. Comment down below if you don't think it will be. This is all out of shape because it hasn't been in the car for a while. Alright, got that back on. So I've got this massive bit that's not in there anymore. Gonna make a cover for that one day. So need to sort out the cover for the fuel pump assembly there. Alrighty, here's a cover, here's a grommet. It's gonna go in there. There we go, got the grommet in there. So I'm just going to disconnect the wires, the two wires from the relay, and we'll just feed it through. Put that back on and screw it down. And there we have it, boys, all tightened down. Grommet's pushed back through a bit, and relays connected again. So fuel pump should be a bit quieter. Stupid garage door doesn't stay up properly. Alright, need to just tidy up on the inside a bit. I've just got just rubbish actually. Alright guys, it's Sunday afternoon now. Let's have a look at what I've done. I've just cleaned up on the inside. Nothing special, but it's clean as it's been in a long time. So, and in the back, got my scoop there. Got those panels that go under the lights. And a jumper, I should take that inside. Just needs a good vac. Also, what I'm thinking of doing in this episode still is actually just cleaning up the sealant, and maybe even taking these little dog leg bits off for the flares. So yeah, clean up this side as well and take this off, make it look nice and smooth. I'm not sure if I'm going to go down the route of getting the flares back on or not. I guess it depends on what wheels I need to go. If I do need to go quite a bit wider so I can grip, I'll end up doing my custom wide guards, which is just the stock flare, but it's actually got that cut out. So that's the back one. They're all back ones. Yep. So it's just, it'll be that wide, but obviously that's all cut out, so it can go all the way up to there. So we should be right if I need to. If I don't, I'll just keep it stuck. And also, one of my mates wants me and him to wrap my fuzz. I think that's a good idea. It's pretty much just the price of the wrap, so I'm not sure on pricing, but what do you guys think? Should I wrap it? Yeah, I told him it's got heaps of dents on it, like just parking lot dents. You might be able to pick them up. They're just all the way down it. You can really see it during the day. You might be able to see some dents. Like this door, dent, 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 dent. And there's a couple in the front there. Here and here. Like I've said before, it's a sleeper, so I don't really care if it looks like this, as long as it rips. So from the front, that red will be going back to the stock. Probably get rid of this A-pillar pod here, move those two boost gauges down, and I'll keep flash there. But yeah, when you're looking in, it should be just normal, I guess. Once this is going and I can go to my parents' place, I'll pick up the red bonnet, and I've got the red guards. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna head inside and start editing. I'll come back out and finish off the back there and add that in. But yeah, what do you think about the wrap? Should I do it? If so, should I go back to the GT bonnet with the scoop? Alrighty boys, I'm back. It's about 9 o'clock, something like that. Alright, let's see if we can clean up these back wheel arches, make them look presentable. Alrighty boys, got it cleaned up. Still got just a little bit on these edges here, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a bit of a buff, just with my polisher. I might actually leave these dog legs on here because I'm most likely going to go just the stock sized flare there, but with that cutout, because I've actually been looking at some Steelies, some 17-inch 9-inch wide Steelies. Not sure on the offset yet though. Have to wait until I see what the offset is. They'll need a bit of a clean up, but don't forget guys, I've got the 1-inch spacers somewhere. Really don't want to use them, but yeah, if I do get the Steelies I'll probably need to, because also wrote in the ad that they don't fit his car because he doesn't have coilovers, so I'm guessing it goes in too much, so I'll have to push them out. But if you know Foresters, they tuck a lot in the back, so we'll fix that up. Let's get the polisher out and see what we can do. The whole car needs doing, but it'll be full when I'm done. Alrighty, that came out alright with just the polisher. Still kind of little line, bit dirty still. That's okay. I don't think I'll do the other side tonight. I need to get inside and finish editing. But with that being said, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Any comments, put them down below about what I will be changing. So interior stuff, external stuff, with like the flares, the guards, the wheels, or even the wrap. Any suggestions on colour as well, that'd be great. I can have a look. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.